Hi guys, it's Peter and welcome to our channel. And today I'm doing a video about RC cars. Pretty much, yes, I'm into RC cars as well. And this channel 18 years ago starts as a RC car channel. And then somehow some other hobbies kind of fill in as well. But my RC cars hobby is still one of the biggest one for me. And today I did pick it up. New addition to my RC garage. It's Losi Micro B 124 scale, which it's gonna be a pretty good addition. It's the smallest RC car I currently have. I mean, I will have all my RC cars. This one is a 16 scale. This is a 10, 8 scale. I used to have a 5th scale, but I was looking for something micro size to be a pocketable. That case, anytime when I go for one wheeling, I can put it in a pocket and bring it to me with me. Before I bring it my e-revo or the Black Wolf, but for those cars I need a backpack. For this one, I don't need backpack. Plus, I hate backpacks. They make me look kind of weird. Pretty much, this RC car is $129.99, and here we don't have a taxes, which kind of good deal, I think. And it's come ready to run. It's a micro size. Let's see. There you go. And I do like Losi a lot. Team Losi. It's a pretty good brand, pretty good company. It's pretty much the car. It did come with manual, battery, AA, four AA's, a standard range, and couple Allen key, which is good. Oh, and then a remote as well. Let's see. Remote, kind of plasticky. Well, it's fully plastic. Without battery, super light. It almost feels like it's an empty shell. I mean, it's light, it's empty. I mean, it feels empty, but the plastic wise, it feels kind of okay. It's not to the point where it feels cheap. It has a nice texture. Okay, here's a throttle limit, 50%, 7,500. Oh, it's pretty much kind of like a gears, look like. And then steering R ratio, and couple trims, steering trim, and actually here's the steering trim, and that's steering what's it called, I forgot. I mean, how much it will turn. Also, it did come with USB charger. Yeah, since the car is pretty small, the battery most likely built in. It did come with a USB Type C to Type C plus Type to Type A adapter and little tiny 2-cell 2S charger. I'm pretty sure those chargers is probably a really piece of crap. And the car, yeah, looks really cool, really tiny. And let me cut this zip ties. Look at that. It is packetable. I mean, you can put it in a pocket really easy. Plus charger. I mean, since it's pretty small, let me cut it. Yeah, I mean, not charger, the remote, pretty light and kind of small. Yeah, it will fit in my another pocket. I really like I already mentioned, I mean, Losi product. I used to have a XXX Losi Buggy. Yeah, this one is similar design, but 3 times smaller. Body, okay, because I didn't see any clips. it have to be in the Velcro, which it has a Velcro, which is nice. Inside it looks really amazing. Over 30 years ago, I used to have a Kayasha. It's a mini or micro Ultima they call. I believe it's slightly smaller than this guy. If this guy is a 124 scale, the Kayasha one is probably like 128, maybe 130 or even 132. It was like probably 50% shorter. Yeah, and the I mean, space between tires and tires is probably like, we're talking about like half is wide. It did have a 6-cell NiCap little tiny battery. On this one, it has a receiver with speed control. Yeah, it's an all-in-one little tiny device. Here's a standard micro servo, which is good in case need to be replaced. Battery, I see battery. I have to pull it out. Oh, right here. It have to be level. Let's see. How you do that? No. It's kind of funny because it doesn't pops. Oh, right there. Sorry guys. Yeah, pretty much you have to push it that I mean security bar to the side and then raise it and then lift it this bar. Okay, and battery really tiny, small, 2 cells, 350 amps, which is pretty good. They're still using, I mean, that's a balance lead, 3-pin connector, and there's a power lead. I don't know why these days they eliminate that wire and just leave it 3-pin that is in call good, because for 3 pins you using, I mean, as a balanced pin. Oh, you know what? Some chargers will require it, and pretty much yeah, because with this crappy charger you're just using only 3-pin lead. If you're using your RC car charger, I mean the big boys and more accurate, then you have to use those 3 pins and the main wires. Okay, I got it. Otherwise, yeah, the car looks really amazing. Small. Oh, it's a ball bearings. Wow, it have to be a full ball bearings then. And even it's a little tiny and not too expensive. It's only like what, $130. I mean, when you hold it, it feels nice. It feels quality. No sharp corners, you know, all screws nice and flush, you know. I mean, it's amazing. 30 years ago, something like that, it will cost probably like $300 or so. Look at that really tiny small motor. Wow. I'm not sure what size it is. It's probably like 120 or no, it's smaller. It's shorter and smaller in diameter. I'm not really sure. Yeah, it's amazing. I'm pretty sure for this little boy, bad boy, there's a lot of upgrades. Eventually, probably I'm gonna put it some aluminum parts, and will be awesome. Well, what I need to do, I need charge it, and then we can run it. Let me grab it a charger. It have to be, I mean, the test drive is gonna be in another video. Today it's already late and it's really dark outside already. Okay, what's going on? The light on the charger is kind of blinking, green, yellow, green, yellow. Okay, now it's a solid orange. I said the yellow, orange. Well, when what's blinking, it's kind of hard to say if it's a orange or yellow. Okay, let's open it. The instruction. I mean, this bag. I mean, I already see what's there, but that's gonna open it for AA's and okay, sticker. Wow, that's nice. I like stickers. Some people probably gonna think there's nothing special in stickers, but I kind of do enjoy it, and I feel like it's extra free stuff. It's always nice. Well, it's not really free because you already did pay for a car, but it's really nice to include it as sticker. Yeah, the range, like I said, is a standard Tamiya style range with 2 Allen keys, and the battery. Well, so far I like it. Like I said, I mean, I was looking for a pocket size RC, and this one will work for my application. I mean, really awesome, really awesome. And yeah, eventually I'd like to get some really tiny, small, like 30 scale or 40 something scale, a crawler, and build it course on this desk or something. Yeah, to keep me entertained during winter time. Oh, it's a oil shock shocks, oil fillet shocks. First thing I thought it's gonna be just crappy plastic with no oil. No, it is. It didn't come with any shims for shocks. How you adjust it? And there's no thread. Well, it's a cheap shocks, fully plastic. I'm pretty sure aftermarket one will be much better, more fancy. But I really love that car. Like I said, I mean, it looks awesome, especially with those green slash orange style. Well, it's more, I don't know, to me almost like a kind of like a bit something between green and yellow color. Tires, I mean the wheels, I'm sorry, I said tires. Look at that. It's awesome. It's freaking awesome. Well guys, pretty much that's all I got for this video. I hope it was interesting, enjoyable. If you guys did enjoy it, thumbs up. If you don't want to miss any future videos, subscribe. We will really appreciate it. Thank you.